I just created my first YouTube channel, but I don't know how to post a video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to post a video on your new YouTube channel. So if you're new to YouTube, if you're a newbie, this is your first time trying out YouTube, probably you want to be creating vlog or whatever content you want to be creating on YouTube. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to post your first video, to your titling, to your thumbnails, to whatever you need to know, whatever that you need to know on making your first post. So yeah, let's get into the video. Your YouTube is open right now. Just go to the create tab. You see a tab there written create. It has a plus icon. Mind you, I'm using my desktop, so if you're using your desktop as well, you're going to see create. If you're using your mobile device, you're also going to see the same thing. It's going to have a plus icon. So, but I advise most people, when you need to post a video on your YouTube, use a PC, use your laptop or a desktop. It allows you to, it's more user friendly. It allows you to see every information properly. You can do much more with your laptop or your desktop. But still, you can also post with your phone. But I recommend you use your laptop or your desktop computer, whatever you're using. So yeah, take your mouse to the create icon. You can see an icon there written create. It has a plus sign there. Once you click it, it's going to give you three options. One says upload video, the other is go live, and the third one is create post. But for the sake of this video, we are doing upload video. So I'm going to click upload video. Just a click. You right click, then it's going to load, and it will bring you here. Now you are in your studio. This is your YouTube studio. This is my own YouTube studio. Right now, if you're following this tutorial, you are in your YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. So what I'm going to do, there are two ways to bring your video here. If you see, it says drag and drop video files to upload. You can drag and drop video files to upload, or you can choose to select files. If you want to do this one, you just click select files. It's going to show you your window explorer. You just go to your windows, check wherever you saved your video to, and select the video. Is going to come drop here. To make it easier, I advise most people just go and drag the video and bring it here. Just, you know how to drag. It's simple, pretty simple. Just drag and bring it here. And yeah, our video is here now. As you can see, the moment I drag the video, there's a new interface. This interface is where the main work begins. Stay with me. So now, for example, for this video I just uploaded, I want the video to be about a YouTube tutorial that teaches people how to create a proper thumbnail. That is what I want to title this video. So follow me, and I'm going to show you how to make a proper title, uploading your thumbnail, adding tags, and whatsoever you need to know. So for the title, there are many ways to get your title, but for me, I use ChatGPT to help me improve my title. For example, if this video is about how to create a proper thumbnail. Now, for example, this is my title, right? I've written my own title, but I'm going to use ChatGPT to enhance my title. So I'm going to copy this, then head over to ChatGPT and say, help me create an excellent, just however you want to do it. You can use your own words. An excellent SEO means search engine, SEO, YouTube title from this. Pop, enter. So now I have a lot of options. So yeah, if you want your title to be search engine optimized, focused, Here you have many options. We have how to create a proper YouTube thumbnail, step-by-step guide, how to create a proper. You get a lot of options. ChatGPT will give you a lot of options. So you're gonna go through them and just find the one that has kind of clickbait. So for me, I'm gonna go with this, how to create a proper thumbnail like a pro. So I'm gonna copy this and then head over to my studio and paste this. And so there's something I always tell people: you need to create a consistent name tag for your video. So for example, if I do tutorial videos, I'm gonna say something like, I'm gonna add something like God's Wheels tutorial, yeah, pop. Just just to keep me, it just gives you a face and a name on YouTube. So whenever somebody just search YouTube God's Wheels tutorial, they're gonna see a lot of your videos, because these keywords are very important whenever you are uploading your videos on YouTube. So now we are done with our title. The next thing you need to do is your description. Whatever content you're creating, is very important to always add descriptions to your video. You can do a lot in the description, a lot of things in the description. But for this video, we'll be keeping it simple, keeping it really simple, because this is your first time making a video. So I'm going to keep it really, really simple. All right. So I'm going to copy this and just go ahead back to ChatGPT and say, give me something like 3 lines. 3 lines. Oh my God, my lines. Thank you. Description for these YouTube title. Now so I'm gonna copy this. I like it. Learn proven styles to design eye-catching. Yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna copy this, head over back to my studio, and I'm gonna paste this in my description. Pop. But I don't like all of these emojis, so I'm gonna go take them off. I don't like emojis, this kind of emojis. Tap. I like it. To me, it feels childish. Makes me feel childish. But anyways, I'm still a child. If you have for this tutorial video, you want people to just head up straight to different timestamps. You want to direct people to different sections in the video. You can add timestamps, but I won't be going more details of that right now, because this video is basically for newbies, first time on YouTube. So I won't be doing so much. You can just do intro, then head over to probably in the video at 6 minutes 53 seconds. I said something related to how to design, So this, when you do this, it allows people to click and go to a particular section in the video. But for this beginning, I'm not going to dwell so much on this, but this is how you do your description. So when you're done with your description, you can come here and add thumbnails. Most times, YouTube always generates thumbnails for you. YouTube generate thumbnails for you. You're going to see it here. Auto-generated thumbnails is going to show up here. But as a creator, you have to always design your thumbnail. So when you have your thumbnail design, you just click upload file, and it's going to allow you upload your thumbnail. Just click upload file and you upload your thumbnail. You can, if this is your first time posting, you don't need to do anything on the playlist. Just leave that out. Head over straight to audience. On that audience, you're going to see, is this video made for kids? If your video is not for kids, because mine is not for kids, so I'm going to say no, it's not made for kids. And then I'm going to go to show more. You click show more, head down straight. Paid promotion. Does your video contain paid promotion? When you start getting paid promotion from brands, you can always check this, but for now there's none. So now I'm going to go forward to altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say? No, my video does not have altered content. So people who create content with AI stuff, they always have to check this. So because we don't have, we're going to say no. Now, this is a new feature on YouTube. It's called collaboration. When you have another channel or you collaborated with somebody on this video, you just simply click invite a collaborator, search for the channel. For example, I want to search for one on my channel and say ATW Center Studio. it's here, and I'm just going to click pop. I'm going to collaborate with them. It's pretty simple, and they're going to accept the collaboration. But I'm not collaborating with them in this particular video. So yeah. Now automatic chapters, check this, check this, check this. Then now this is the most important part. Tags. I don't know how to emphasize, but this is what gives your video strength to reach a lot of people. Tags is really important. These are essential keywords that are related to your video. All right. So for this video I'm using as example, I created a video that is teaching people how to create thumbnails for their YouTube video. So I'm going to recommend a website where you can get awesome and relevant tags for your YouTube videos. This site is called TunePocket. TunePocket.com. TunePocket.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description so you can just click and get your tags. Now, when you open it, you're going to see YouTube tag generator. For my video, I created a video that has to do with thumbnail, and it's just something that teaches people how to create a proper thumbnail. So I'm going to say thumbnail and tutorial. Yep. Tutorial. Whatever. Check this. I'm not a robot. Of course, I'm not a robot. Or security check. This is a bridge. So now you're going to click generate tags. It's going to load. Now you see I have 444 keywords, characters that I'm going to copy. So I'm going to copy this and then go back to my studio and come to my tag and click and paste this and say paste. You see, now I have tags. Now, whenever anybody goes to YouTube and search for YouTube thumbnail, your video is going to show because you have that keyword as a tag in your video. Tags, really essential, really, really important, very important. Just pick a particular word from your topic and you're gonna get other important tags. So on to the next, the language you use, some English. So you just simply book English. English. Don't need all of this. This is not important. Make sure you set to standard YouTube license because it's your original content. All right. Make sure you select the right category for your video. On vlog, just select people and blogs. If your video is on politics, whatever it is, it's in music, make sure you select the right category for your video. And yeah, so I don't forget short mixing. Make sure you always allow people, especially when you create music videos, allow people to remix your audio, use your audio so that they can. It allows your video to get more reach as well. It serves as promotion for you if you're creating music. But for my video, I'm just going to pick education, but I'm not going to do all of this. No, I'm not going to do all of this right now because maybe in another video, subsequent video, I may explain how to go about this. Then I'm going to head over to next. Now, this is video element. This is also really important. If you need to add subtitle to your video, you can click add. If you have there's something called XRT file. I'm going to explain this maybe in another video, but this video is not focused on subtitling. So I'm not going to do so much here. You can just upload your XRT file. That's if your video is not internally subtitled. If you did not subtitle your video, you can just upload an XRT file here so they can have your video subtitled. So, but I'm not going to be doing that because, it's not on subtitles. So, next thing here is add an end screen. Most of you watch YouTube videos and then at the end of the video, you get to see recommendation of other videos from the same channel. So, you have to, those things are manually done. They are manually done. So, this is how you do it. You just come here and say add. When I come here, I'm going to click. If you want, there are several options. This one says one video, one subscribe button. This one says one video, one subscribe button. This one says same thing, but just different positioning. So, but for me, because I want people to see a lot of my videos, I'm going to click this and drag this down because I don't want it to cover this person. So I'm just going to bring it here, and I'm going to come here and select, choose a specific video. I want them to watch whatever video you want them to watch next, so YouTube automatically picks other videos and recommend them to your viewers. But if you don't add these end screens, it's not going to happen. You have to add it so that other people can see order of your videos. Do you understand? Are you following? Thank you. So I'm going to save this. The next thing is add cards. Now, add cards are like, for example, when you're watching a YouTube video, most times you see video recommendation at the top of the video. You're watching a video and then you are seeing video recommendation. It is called cards. This is how you do it. You just click video plus this plus icon, and then select any other video you have on your channel, and automatically, let me pick this for example, it's going to come and it's going to create this. You're going to see this. Just put it at whatever point you want it to be. If you want it to be here, so you see this immediately. It says, you see, this is a recommendation. It's recommending this video. As you're watching this video, when you get to this particular time, when you get to 3 minutes of this video, you're going to see another video recommendation. All right. So yeah, cards are also important. This is also something you can do, like a teaser test. I can say, watch this. Now watch. You see this has changed. You get it? Because I'm trying to make it more catchy. Watch this. So they can click the video and also watch this video. So I'm gonna save this and then proceed to here. Because this video is still uploading, this part is where YouTube check for copyright claims. If you use somebody's soundtrack, you use somebody's audio, somebody's work, automatically YouTube is going to let you know, because YouTube does not play with copyright. Like, YouTube does not play with copyright. So you have to make sure your check is complete. Yes, before you publish the video. So next, while my video is still uploading, I can't see the checks right currently, but I'm going to move straight to visibility. This is where you finally publish your video. This is the final stage of posting a video on YouTube. This is the final stage. So if you're here, you are almost done. Schedule. This is how I'm going to schedule my video. For example, I wanted to premiere on the 25th of December. I'm going to click 25th of December. I'm going to select the time, say like 6 p.m. That's 18. 6 p.m. Time zone. So my time zone is +1. I'm in Nigeria. So set as premiere. I want it to premiere. I always advise anybody, if it's your first time posting on YouTube, make sure you premiere the video. It allows people to anticipate. It allows people to be informed that, there's a video coming up on so date. It just creates anticipation. And here's the thing: when your video get enough likes while it's scheduled for premiere, YouTube tends to push it more for people to see. Yes, because it's going to be like, YouTube is going to be like, people are coming for this video. People are coming, So set up premiere, go to countdown length, just make it a minute. You can play around with this. For me, I like to always use inspirational. Yeah. So save. And now we're good to go. And I'm simply going to say schedule. Click schedule. My video has been scheduled. Your video will premiere so date, blah 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 blah. So if you're here, you are done. You are good to go. Your video is ready for the world to see. These are the most essential things. Don't forget. Your title is important. Your tags, your description. Check for the tags. Check for altered content. Check for audience. If it's for kids, make sure you select it for kids. If it's not for kids, make sure you select this video is not for kids. Add your end screen. Add your cards. Make sure you check your video that there's no copyright claim on your video. before you publish a video. All right. So that's that on this video, and I hope this is helpful enough for you as you embark on your new adventure as a YouTuber. Yep. Thank you.